Assalamu alaikum guys. Today in this practical video, I will guide you for cantilever beam steel reinforcement which length is up to 8 feet. They did some common mistakes in this cantilever beam and also cantilever slab, so let me guide you for those points. If you are working on construction site, so you must watch this video till the end to know about steel reinforcement details. Guys, you can see the length is up to 8 feet. Up to 3 feet, they provided the column which is just 9 by 9 inches. They used 4 steel rods, dia is 12 millimeter. So this is not the proper design. Guys, you can see they used here 5 steel rods. 2 steel rods dia is 16 millimeter and 3 steel rods dia is 12 millimeter. Width is 12 inches or 30 centimeter for this cantilever beam, and depth is 18 inches or 45 centimeter. Guys, you can see they used 5 steel rods at the top and 5 at the bottom. Dia is 12 millimeter for bottom steel reinforcement. If you see guys, the stirrup dia is 8 millimeter with the spacing of up to 250 mm or about 10 inches. Guys, you can see hooks are bent on 90 degrees, so this is also one of the big mistake. They just provided steel reinforcement in the construction of this cantilever beam, but they don't know the structural drawing, structure load, so therefore they don't have the proper design. Guys, you can see at the distance of L by 4 or in this cantilever slab, they provided lapping length which is up to 18 inches. Guys, you can see the lapping is provided at the distance of L by 4, so this is also one of the big mistakes in the construction of this cantilever slab. This is not the place to provide cantilever lapping length. Guys, you can see which length is up to 18 inches or 45 centimeter. Guys, you can see clearly. So if you are working on construction site, so remember these points which I am telling you. If you see guys, this is the other cantilever beam, and you can see also here guys, you can see they used 5 steel rods. 3 rods dia is 12 millimeter and 2 rods are 16 millimeter. At the bottom they used 5 steel rods, dia is 12 millimeter. You can see guys the spacing of stirrups which is up to 9 to 10 inches. So this is not the proper design for this cantilever beam. Guys, you can see they provided extra steel rods. Look here. So these steel rods should be attached or connect with this column, because this is cantilever beam. This is not crank bar or extra steel rods. So it should be connect the column to make a good bond. Guys, you can see here they also provided lapping length at this place. At the distance of 14 feet near with cantilever beam, they are providing the lapping length. I don't know why they are they have the cutting length for this lapping. We have the standard length of steel rod which is about 40 feet or 12 meter from factory, so I don't know why they cut the bars like this and providing lapping at this danger place which is cantilever beam and cantilever slab. So this is not the proper design. Guys, you can see here they provided here in this slab, this is two-way slab, they provided crank bar which is very important to resist negative bending moment in beam, also in slab. Guys, you can see they used here 12 mm dia for main bars and distribution bars with the spacing of 150 mm. Guys, you can see this is the other floor beam. They used 5 steel rods at the top portion and 5 at the bottom. Same they did the design for cantilever beam, but this is a difference from each other, because in simply supported beam we have supports on each and starting point also at the end point, but in cantilever beam we don't have the support at the free end. So therefore we should do the proper design, because you can see guys the length is about 8 feet, but they did not provided the structural design for this. So actually they don't know what is steel structural drawing, what is structural load. So therefore they are just doing this design by a steel fixer. So therefore they will face more problems in the future because it will provide cracks after construction of this cantilever slab and beam. So therefore I am telling you, if you are working for commercial building or for residential building, if that is more than 2 stories, so you should hire the structural engineer to guide you for structural drawing, for steel reinforcement of different elements. Guys, you can see here the length is up to 8 feet. Unfortunately, they did not do the proper design. They are just wasting their time as well as their money. Hope this short video can help you about steel reinforcement, common mistakes in the construction of slab and cantilever beam. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.